Lesson 8, Halves and Quarters. Goals for this lesson. I know what a half is, and I know what a quarter is. Today we'll be learning about a half versus a quarter. First, let's talk about halves. So halves are 1/2 of something. Or we can represent this as we split in two. The bottom number, remember, is our number of pieces. So let's split this pizza in half. This would be half because I can count my first piece here and my second piece there. Now, is this donut cut in half? Are these two halves? Our total number of pieces are 2. And remember, when we look at our fraction, the bottom represents our number of pieces, and this is 1 whole. So yes, this is a half. Next, we have quarters. A quarter is 1/4, or 1 out of 4 pieces. Because remember, the bottom number is number of pieces. So we want to split our pie into 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. So each quarter or slice of this pie is 1/4. So if I eat this slice, I ate 1/4 or 1/4 of the pie. You can also think back to quarters, as in the coins that are worth 25 cents or 1/4 of a dollar. Is this donut in fourths or quarters? Let's first count the pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is split into 4 pieces. So if I ate 1, I would eat 1 out of 4, or 1/4. So yes, this is in quarters. Now let's review. So we have a half is 1 out of 2 parts. 1 out of 2. And then a quarter is 1 out of 4 parts, or 1/4. And a half can be represented by splitting something into 2. So that would be 1/2 versus 1/4, which would be splitting something into 4. So we have 4 pieces, and we have 1 out of 4. So a half is 1 out of 2, and a quarter is 1 out of 4. Another way you can think about this is a quart, like the unit of liquid, if that helps.